then some people, they say, okay, Swamiji, that's nice, Mahamantra, but what about bhutas and prates? And because our children, especially children, there's so many of these subtle beings, invisible beings, and they harass especially children. These kecharis like Putana, Vetalas, Pishachas, and the whole prates, especially prates. Prates prey on means they attack. Prates prey on putras, on the babies, on the children. And the baby wakes up in the middle of the night, he's having nightmares and he's crying because he's attacked by these subtle beings. It's pop karma. So then they say sometimes, for our children, we're adults, so we're okay, we chant Hare Krishna, we've taken initiation from a guru, Gaudiya Vaishnava guru. But to protect our children, they don't know, they can't talk. We use the kavacha there to protect them from these beings. So about 5 years ago, we asked our teacher, Sri Pandit Baba, I said, what to do? I have this question because can we prescribe, because many people come to us and we interact with many people. What about the family people, the grihastas with the children, and they have the different problems and they're too young to defend themselves and they hardly can speak. What about them? And so I mentioned specifically about they get attacked by Vinayakas and Pretas and Pishachas. And I just walked in out of nowhere and asked him about this. And then immediately he started speaking 2 padas, or maybe 4 padas, 4 verses in a row from the 10th canto Bhagavatam, and 10th canto chapter 6. 10th canto chapter 6 verse 29, and this is right in the beginning of Krishna Lila. Krishna, of course, and he was in Gokul, and he was there in Gokul for 6 days. He was only 6 days old. It wasn't even 1 week old. Hardly 1 week. Couldn't even pass 1 saptaha. After 6 days, then Putana came, Putana Rakshashi, to kill Krishna. So in that chapter, there's a verse where Mother Yashoda herself is speaking, and I touched it off the top of his brain when I said, because my teacher, he told us that everything, medicine, all the answers to all questions, and anything anyone needs is all in the Bhagavat.